Hello, welcome to Hank's Maker Mentor. Today we're continuing our series that goes over what supplies you need for the different types of projects. Today we're going over Print and Cut. Print and Cut is specific to the Explore family and the Maker. It is not something you can do on the Cricut Joy. Some people get really confused that the Cricut Can Print. I want to clear it up right now that the Cricut itself cannot print. The design you want to do needs to be printed on like your home printer, and then it will be cut by the Cricut. When you're choosing a printer, it doesn't have to be an outrageously priced printer. You want to make sure you're printing it on the best quality your printer can print on, and most of the materials you'll want to use are inkjet only. They don't work on laser printers. So if you're going to buy a new printer, go ahead and keep that in mind, that you probably want an inkjet printer. You'll need a material to print on. That can be printable vinyl, printable heat transfer vinyl, Waterslide paper, just regular copy paper, and there are others as well, but those are kind of the main ones that people use. If you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe and the bell icon so that you can know when I release new videos. Until next time, bye.